angels, hi my loves, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So today I have a Coach unboxing. I have a Coach bag unboxing from the Coach outlet store, and a while ago I did an unboxing and I wasn't sure about which item it was, and this time around I'm pretty sure I know what's in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing, and as I was saying in a previous video, I really was enjoying, just looking online at some of the Coach items available online. And sometimes you order and sometimes you just put that item in your cart, and then I think it only lasts in your cart for like 15 minutes, and then you would have to go ahead and put it back in your cart if it's still available. But anyway, I was able to go ahead and order this beauty. So it's something that if it's what I think it is in this correct package this time, it's something that I wanted for a while and I just never bit the bullet on it. And I tend to do that sometimes. I take time thinking about, what I really want, the bag, and if I really want to order it. So I ended up going ahead and deciding to order this bag. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. And the Coach outlet, they don't really package as well as the Coach retail store, but it's okay. I still enjoy shopping from them, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look and see how they went ahead and packaged this beauty. So I'm taking a peek, you guys. Even though it's a real unboxing, you saw me just undo the tape. I'm taking a sneak peek before you guys. I'm gonna take a sneak peek. Okay, it's what I think it is. Okay, so this is the way it came. And look at me, I was kind of not giving Coach outlet the credit, because even though it's from Coach outlet, they did an okay job. They did an okay job. Not, sometimes the real retail store does a little better, but actually they did a really good job with packing this baby. This is the way they have her packaged up right here, and you might be able to see and tell what it is that I went ahead and I picked up. This is the way they have her packed. Really nice, actually. This is the way they have my beauty. You probably can see her through the packaging from the silhouette and know what she is. So let me go ahead and take the plastic off. And when I ordered her, I wanted another colorway, and they were out of stock with that colorway. So I ended up going ahead and picking this colorway, choosing this color story. And actually, I'm liking it because it's darker and I'll be able to wear it in the fall and in the winter. Whereas the other colorway that I wanted the red trim colorway, and that one, I would have still been able to wear it in the fall, but and in the winter. But this one, being that it's just more dark, I'll definitely be able to wear it all year round, all seasons, in the summer and in the winter. So this is the way she came, and she's all packaged up. So you can see she wasn't a return or anything. She's a beautiful bag. She wasn't a return or anything. So I'm really gonna enjoy this bucket bag in my collection. And this is the Signature Town bucket bag, the Coach Signature Town bucket bag, and this is what she looks like. And they have this bag in a smaller version, but I opted to go with this larger version. Let me go ahead and see if I can get the strap unwrapped so we can really appreciate this beauty. So they really have her wrapped up tight. What's going on with my scissors here? I don't know, I want to make sure I'm not, okay, there we go. Well, this might take a little longer than I thought, you guys. But yeah, I really wanted this bag for a while. I was trying to decide what color I wanted her in. Like I said, they even have the little tag is wrapped up, and I couldn't decide what color I wanted to get her in. We don't be here all day and night as long as I'm taking to get this beauty undone. We're gonna be here for a while. Yeah, so I ended up going with the black. When I ordered her, I ordered the red strap. I wanted the red. You guys know I love red. I wanted the red strap. And then they ended up notifying me by mail, by email, that my credit card wasn't going to be charged because the red was out of stock, even though I was able to order her and put her in my cart online. So when I got the email and they told me she was out of stock, I ended up calling the 800 number. And the person I spoke to, very friendly, very nice, was trying to convinced me to get the light brown with the green trim, which is pretty, but I just didn't really want the light brown. You'll see why in another video. I just didn't really want the light brown. Basically, I have a few other bags with the light brown monogram already, so I didn't want to go ahead and order her in the light brown. I wanted this darker monogram canvas. So, okay, we're beginning to see a little bit more of her. I'm trying to go as fast as I can here, you guys. Cutting this stuff off of her so we can appreciate her beauty without, I don't want to accidentally cut the leather or anything. So I'm taking my time. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be a really nice bag. I like her because she keeps her silhouette, and I like bags that keep their shape and their silhouette. Even though I like bucket bags and satchels a little bit more than hobos. That's just me. I was able to look at that beautiful gold tag. I was able to undo the tag. It's coming along. It's coming along. Almost there, you guys. Almost there with fully unwrapping her. At least you know when you get a bag this wrapped that it wasn't a return. So all this beautiful brass. Okay. And yeah, almost done. About one more piece right here, and then I think we'll be able to fully see her. So I think that's pretty good. We can enjoy her beauty now. And let me go ahead and take out everything right here. You can see her fully. The inside is so beautiful. The inside is so, so beautiful. And I'm going to keep this stuffing because when I'm storing her, when I'm not using her, I'll be able to just go ahead and put these same pieces inside to store her. Yeah, this is going to be a lovely, lovely, just grab and go tote, this bucket tote, you guys. So this is what she looks like on. She's really dark in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the interior. That's what the interior looks like, all black. But the bottom line is, what a beautiful, beautiful bag. Let me go ahead and put her strap on. I think I like her more in person than I did, on the website. I really think I do. I like that you can, she has the handle that I'll be able to just grab her and go with. And then she also has the top handle, and then she also has the strap that will come in handy. And you guys know that basically, I think we all know Coach, I think basically came up with this silhouette a while ago, and it's very much like the new Louis Vuitton Neo Noe. And this is like the Coach's version of the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe. And I love the Noes, the Louis Vuitton Noe. Of course I love the Neo Noe also, but I'm all about affordability on this channel. And for me, I'm not going to be able to afford the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe right now. So this has the similar silhouette, and it's more affordable, so I'm gonna have to go for myself for the more affordable option, which is this Coach Town bucket bag. And she's a beauty nonetheless. That doesn't speak any less of her just because she's kind of made after that same silhouette or look as the Neo Noe. I still give this bag props. I'm all for saving a buck. And I thought the bottom of her was going to be signature as well. The bottom of her is leather, baby. The bottom, I'm happy about that. The bottom of her is leather. I thought the bottom of her was going to be the same signature print. No, no, no. They put leather on the bottom of her. I'm so happy about that. That really, really, goes and adds to the look. She's so sleek. So yeah, you guys, I really am enjoying this beauty. I'm happy about, obtaining this one in my collection. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more Coach unboxings and more Coach videos. Go ahead, check out my playlist on Coach, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.